Hey, you think that's the way to become great hunters? No way. In the world of Monster Hunter, you will not survive if you don't work together. You must work as a team. As a team, alright? If you want, I'll train both of you to become great hunters. Are you prepared? If yes, then let's not waste time. First, make sure your arms are properly equipped. And you, don't just look at them. Make sure you sharpen your sword. Now, if you're all set, here are some things that you must remember. Archer, always find the best spot to attack. Attack the enemy with speed. Make sure you leave enough stamina to escape. And protect the girl if you must. And don't forget the camera to bother things. Go ahead, set it up. That's right, stay behind it. Wait for the perfect time. Archer, you must remember, never, ever shoot your That is really hurt. Oh well, I guess I can give you one more kill. If your partner is in the status zone, just give him a nice kill. That's all for now, I think. Just don't forget your victory pose. See you at the next training.
For cosplay tournament champion. And before we see the next contestant, first interview lang natin sila. Okay, umpisa natin on your end. Sino po yung kasama niyo?
Okay, for Myron Fake, pakilala niyo kung sino sila.
I'm Jerry Bernardo from Palaos, Bulacan.
Ayan, and you are?
I'm Karina Pasasha.
Okay, and would you like to give us a backgrounder on yung mga characters?
Yes, here's the limited runner.
I've been playing Monster Hunter for a while, especially when we're sa PSP. And I was really encouraged na, parang yun naman, di ba? Yung game naman na teamwork naman yung pinag-uusapan natin. So hindi kami nandito para maglaban, kundi we were trained sa Great Hunter. Actually, kung gusto po namin sa pinaggatang Great Hunters 101, kumbaga yung po yung magandang ginagawa dapat ng mga hunters sa laro po ng Monster Hunter. And kung ginawa namin sa talagang nakita yung elements po ng game na ito.
Actually, I want to congratulate my partner because he was the one who encouraged me to go through Monster Hunter.
Okay, yun nga, could you give us a backgrounder yung mga characters ninyo? Kung bakit na pinili?
So basically, why the character?
Okay, ako na lang ba? Siya muna.
Sa akin po, sa Monster Hunter po kasi dalawa po yung pagpipilian. It's either you're a long range or a gunner, and then a blade master sa close range. Siyempre po, sa ko talaga sa mga kinalaban. So, ito po yung talaga napili ko. One of my favorite characters.
Jason!
But ang sort ko po is
Jason!
yung Grey Armor.
57.
Inner armor na ginagamit.
Palitan ko na.
Pero sa po yun sa mga magagamit nyo na talaga na para sa ilang hand gamer sa umpisa.
For my armor naman po, it's a Keju X armor. So, actually, before I decided to use costume, we were thinking about what costume I have. And I thought this would be most feminine. At the same time, it would portray strength.
Sabihin mo lang sandali.
Yun.
Now, for the judges, tingnan natin. Any questions?
Any questions for our contestants from the judges?
Jason.
Hello. First of all, I like your costume. Ganda. Very detailed siya. Pero sabi yung girl, gumamit ka na ng wig. Wig. Muna lang yun. I like yung weapon nyo. Ganda. Yung lalo na yung pana. Sino gumawa niyan? Sino gumawa ng pana yung ano mo?
Friends ko po, si Ivan.
Okay. But I have to be hard sa inyo guys kasi ang Manila leg, agad ng preparation nyo, unlike yung sa province, very short lang ang kanilang preparation. So I have to be hard sa mga taga Manila kasi you have all the chances and you have the advantage na eh. So when it comes sa craftsmanship ng costume nyo, approve ako dyan. Pero doon sa performance, medyo nag-ano kayo eh. Medyo doon ako na ano. Kasi you have to make, alam mo yun, parang kasama ng magandang costume, kailangan kasama ng magandang performance. Doon papasok yung overall impact ng mga audience. So remember that. Anyway, win or lose, ang galing ng, ng costume nyo, talaga gumana ako sa inyo. Now, ang question ko, sino bang, influence sa inyo na sa cosplay? I remember si Kuya Robert, nung una ko nakita sa magazine to, doon ako nagkaroon ng inspiration na mag-cosplay eh. Uy! How about si ano?
Ako actually, ever since naman po high school talaga, fanatic na rin talaga ako ng anime at gamer ko. So, nung nakita ko po talaga na medyo nagiging culture na po sa Pilipinas yung cosplay, talagang na-encourage po ako na sabi ko, pwede pala yun. Kasi una po nangyari nun, sumakay po ako sa MRT. Nakakita po ako ng Sasuke. Sabi ko po, wow, astig. Kaya pala yun sa real life. Tapos ayun po, so in-encourage ko po yung friends ko na bakit di natin yung try. Nung una po talaga, punta lang kami parang photo opportunity. Then finally, we tried na to be involved na rin po. And we really enjoyed it po.
Ayun po, like ever since elementary, I was a fan po. Gamer din po. And nung nakilala ko si Ray, dun lang po ako na-inganyo and nagka-courage na mag-cosplay since dati wala po akong kasama. Then also, I saw people who are very much inclined sa cosplay, like kayo po, kayo sir. So, na-inganyo rin po ako. And I said to myself, if they can do it, why can't I?
Okay, finally, from Mr. Roberto.
Okay, actually, this is a question I wanted to ask ng tagal niya. Pero regarding dun sa style na yung style ng choice mo. I wanted to know why game characters? I mean, alam natin maraming anime na nagkakalat, mga anime manga, which actually when you look at it, mas malaki yung reference nyo regarding character. Diba, pag nanonood ka ng anime, nakikita mo how they act, how they react yan. Sometimes, most games kasi, lalo na yung mga games na involving Monster Hunter, they don't usually involve a lot of character expressions, ganun. So, how did you base it, your acting kanina? How did you base it dun sa performance nyo? Well, was it all made up, or you actually copied it from a cutscene on Monster Hunter?
Ang nakikita po kasi actually we were watching po yung mga nauna pong live and most of the cosplay din po nasalihan namin. We saw kasi na parang almost lahat po ng ginagawa is a fight scene. So we were really thinking na wala bang ibang pwedeng gawin. So what we did is talagang naghanap kami ng co-op. Parang multiplayer po kasi siya na talagang kailangan ng teamwork between the team members. Ngayon, yung lahat po ng play na ginawa namin, actually, yun po yung mga pag pumasok po sa training hall ng pinaka-Monster Hunter, yun po yung mga tinuturo nila doon. Yung paggamit po ng bombs, paggamit po ng weapons, how to work together. So yun po yung ginagawa doon. So we really like it na may iba naman na hindi na when it comes to partnership, hindi lang po fight scene po yung pwede natin ibigay. And dun, pagdating naman po sa Armor, why we chose a game instead of an anime. Actually, we've been cosplaying na rin po talaga ng mga anime na hindi po siya Armor type. So, sabi namin, experience naman po namin yung Armor naman. So, instead of using na yung mga nagamit na before na Armor, we tried something new for the Armor. Na para ma-experience din namin na magsuot naman ng ano, lang hindi siya just plain cloth.
So basically, you're saying the scene, the training scene that it also involved the emotion and facial expressions, or you made it up?
Ano, yung pong mga gestures, sa Monster Hunter po kasi meron po mga gestures. So yung paraan po nung paggawa, yung paraan po nung paggamit ng weapon, yun po yung ginawa po namin. At yun ano na po yung sa may explosion po ng barrel bomb sa uli. It's actually one of the thing na parang nakakatawa po when it comes to that game. Na when an archer, when a blade master actually sets up the bomb and then the archer suddenly shoot it with an arrow, it will explode to the character that might cause the death of that particular character.
Okay, I get it. It's actually a barrel bomb. So, just to add a little critique, siguro yun nga, that's like Mr. Guy said, regarding sa performance. Yeah, I think you may have to spruce up your performance because yung kanina, hindi ko na-gets kung bakit ka lumipot, biglang sinika ka ng partner mo. Alam ko may sumabog, pero hindi ko na-gets yung sa part yun. Pero I guess, it's something that you will probably improve na lang in the future. Pero for now, okay naman yung performance nyo, and then I really like your costumes. Thank you very much.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is Cold 33.
Yes, let's give it up for Code 33.